The Life, Lesson 1 and 2. Lesson 1. How should we walk? Walk in love. Mark 12:30 and 31. Love the Lord your God with all your heart and with all your soul and with all your mind and with all your strength. The second is this, love your neighbor as yourself. There is no commandment greater than this. Ephesians 5:2. And walk in love as Christ loved us and gave himself up for us, a fragrant offering and sacrifice to God in Ephesians 5 verse 2. The Life Lesson 2. How should we walk? Walk in the Spirit. Galatians 5:16. But I say, walk by the Spirit, and you will not gratify the desires of the flesh. Galatians 5:24 and 25. Those who belong to Christ Jesus have crucified the